Friends, there is a lot of confusion about calendar year, financial year and accounting period among our students and other people. So let's discuss these terms in detail today. Hello friends, welcome to my channel A. Kumar Sumit, where you get good learning and informative content. Today we are discussing the three terms calendar year, financial year, accounting period. Calendar year. Calendar is a system of organizing time for social, religious, commercial, administrative and other purposes. This is done by giving names to periods of time, typically days, weeks, months and years. A calendar year is the longest time period in such system and is typically a period of 12 months or 365 days or 366 days in leap years. This is self-explanatory definition of a calendar year. We use time to organize, record and communicate our activities and events and live life on this planet Earth. Financial year. Financial year is the period of 12 months adopted by the government for taxing and accounting purposes. It is normally abbreviated as FY and the ending year. For example, if the government adopts the period of 12 months starting on 1st April every year as its financial year, then FY21 or FY 2021 means the period of 12 months from 1st April 2020 to 31st of March 2021. Accounting period. Accounting period is the span of time covered by the financial statements. Financial statements comprise of the following statements: income statement, position statement, change in equity statement, cash flow statement, and there are other requirements as mentioned in the accounting standard number 1 by the respective authorities. Now the computer technology has made it possible to prepare the financial statements on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly or yearly basis to suit the requirements of internal reporting and external reporting according to the business policies and the prevailing laws. This means that the accounting period can either be equal to or less than a period of 12 months. Indian calendar year commences on 1st January. Indian financial year commences on 1st of April. Accounting period can commence on any specific day as prescribed by the governing laws or the business policies. Let's take an example. Suppose you start your business on 15th of September and you prepare your financial statements on a monthly basis as per your current business policy. So, the financial statements prepared for the month of September will be covering the period from 15th of September till 30th of September. Calendar year can also be adopted as financial year and or an accounting period. Financial year can also be adopted as an accounting period. Accounting period need not necessarily be the calendar year and or the financial year. India follows the Gregorian calendar of type solar, and Indian calendar year is also known as the civil year. Indian financial year is also known as the fiscal year. Accounting period is also known as the reporting period. Calendar year varies from country to country. However, almost 168 countries of the world follow the Gregorian calendar, and their calendar year also starts from 1st of January and ends on 31st of December. Fiscal year varies from country to country. Accounting period varies from business to business or from financial statements to financial statements prepared for two different purposes. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope now you understand these terms better. If you have any questions, please write your questions in the comment box and I shall try to answer your question as soon as possible. Please feel free to share any feedback in the comment box as well. Please like this video and share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more such informative content. I will be back with more such informative content soon. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.